Boog's car. What year is it?
My 1991 Mustang LX. As you can see, it's kind of rough right now. It used to be beautiful, but I let it go to shit.
Well, tell us a little bit about the history. What's going on? How'd you get it? When did you get it? How long has it been sitting? Something like that?
I think I got it in 2013, maybe 2014.
What year is it now?
2018.
Oh, 2019. About to be 2019.
We close to 2019 already.
A day away.
2 more days will be 2019. So probably the last time it was on the road was like 2015, the end of 2015. So it's about to be 3 years almost, going on to 4.
Why'd it go off the road?
The water pump went out. Water pump went out, and my brother thought it was a good idea to take the whole motor out and rebuild it.
Hey,
What would that be?
The guy recording.
only because the heads were burning so much oil.
He was dumping in oil every day, pretty much. Every time you drove it, you would have to pour in oil.
Yep.
But those are the holly heads that people say that go bad after like 10,000 miles or something like that. So,
Exactly.
but that wasn't really the reason why he yanked it out. Trey yanked it out because he was dumb as hell.
We were young, dumb, and weren't thinking.
This is probably the
But after we
first banners put on.
Oh yeah, very first. Very first. It's cracked and everything. But the reason after we took it out, this was our first paint job we ever did.
With spray can, not real paint.
As you can see,
AutoZone rattle cans.
then it's sealed metal, right?
It didn't dry good enough either because look at all these cracks on the paint. All these cracks.
The
boy.
sun's just beating all this.
I didn't even notice this. That's hard too.
You know what that's from? That's from the aircraft remover.
All right, we'll do a quick show around. So we start in the front, Boog, and explain why you got a red panel on there.
I have a red cow panel because the previous owner forgot to put the hood pins on when he went on the freeway. The hood flew up. And the cow panel messed up, which the old one is right over there.
Okay.
So I got this new one from Phil, and now it's on there. It's just not welded. It's just sitting there, looking pretty.
I forgot to mention another thing is it damaged the roof. And when we first did his paint job, it had ripples everywhere, and we tried to fix it as best we could. We weren't the best.
With body filler, look at this. That body filler lifestyle. Look at that.
We weren't the best body shop guys, but now what our plan to do is take the skin off like right here and do a new skin on it. But let's get under the hood and
Pop
check
the
it.
hood. Y'all gonna see this 351.
Dang, this is a project.
This is rough.
This is a project and a half. This is what it's looking like. About to make it amazing. About to make it look way better than what he got it and how the previous owner had it. Previous owner lied to Boog. Boog fell for it. He had a 331 stroker kit. He had the aluminum heads, you know, the equal length exhaust and all this and that. The Holley systematic upper end kit. Cam stage 2, trick flow. Rip it apart. It's not a stroker kit. It's stock. Stock as hell. It wasn't bored over or anything like that. Stage 1 trick flow cam. It's still trick flow, but it ain't stage 2.
Stage 2.
Yeah, heads were bad. We both, all three of us know about this. We all drove this car.
It was fast back then, but now
Parked. That's it. Oh yeah, we're gonna get to this. Let's go ahead and close this. Oh, look at.
Reason why it's rusting is because Boog closed the holes off right here and didn't put a sealer right there. So
Nothing to seal it off.
it's all a before, so you guys will see the work that gets done to it and how much time gets put into these cars.
Let's see the interior. Blacked out, baby.
Blacked out interior. Oh.
Get the black door panels on it though. I can't even open the trunk up though.
You can't even turn the light on, but
I can get it flattened.
Oh man, that's why.
nice little steering wheel there. Look at that steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
That's beautiful.
Check out the dent on the
You guys
floor.
want to see the trunk?
Check out
Oh,
the
yeah.
dent on the floor.
This is what happens when you take your car to the tire shop guys or anybody that don't know about the cars.
The unibody,
And
and
they
that
just
you don't
go
jack it up
lift.
from the floor pan. That's what happens when you just hide rid of it.
Let's show us the truck.
Check out his key. Check out his key. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man.
Here's a
God dang, dude. Blast me in the head.
My bad.
Oh man. I don't even know what's in here.
Distributor, I'm probably gonna work on more.
Hey, Boog gave me a concussion.
Some interior. There's a whole bunch of junk.
Oh, his old gauges. that
When I used to run turbo.
you're right. His old air to fuel, trans, temperature, which never worked, and the voltage. The voltage was the only one that really worked.
I don't think it was accurate though.
Yeah, it probably wasn't. Everything else was failing too. Some of the lights weren't cutting on, and everything was messing up.
Got some new brakes. I just never put them on.
Oh, those is done now.
Good thing I'm going 5 lug.
That's another reason why he tore apart his interior, because his wiring is all jacked up too. So get the tips. Those are Boog's favorite things. Those are Boog's favorite things right there. Get them flow masters. And the floor.
Oh my gosh.
What
You look all sitting on it.
Oh, yeah. It don't move. What you expect?
He got new tires before he put it off the road.
Falcon.
Yeah, those is going in the trash. I might have to burn those up with big red.
Oh, this hood. This hood is memories.
Oh, this was the first hood we ever worked on.
Oh yeah, that was like 6 years.
Look at our work.
Hey, it looked exactly like this when we first got this hood too, except for it had a big old chip, was notched off right here, and it was like a chip somewhere over here, but it looked exactly like this. Boog bought it. I found it on Craigslist. It was on a parts car, and it was like right down the street. Me and Boog went, and all of a sudden Boog was like, "Man, I want that hood." I was like, "Well, we can save it, man." We thought it was MacGyver or something, so we got the hood. This was like 6 years ago. This was on his first Fox. It was nasty blue.
Slow as hell.
Slow
Automatic.
Mitch matching headers.
The first one we ever seen of it. One with the aftermarket BBK header, which was the unequal length shorty header, and then it had one stock header. I don't know why somebody would do that. I have no idea, but it was just like that. But anyways, we did this hood like 6 years ago. We filled in all the cracks with body filler, which we messed up on. We shouldn't have done that. We should just relayed the fiberglass. Now we got to redo this again. Now it's gonna look a lot better.
Yeah, easy work. We didn't have the right equipment 5-6 years ago, but now we do. So
Just knowledge.
yeah.
Now we got a lot more knowledge.
So eventually we'll get there. A lot of people doubt me, but
Maybe all your friends.
they'll get there.
That's it. This is the before. You guys seen it here, and you see what it's like after.
Yes, sir.